Hello, welcome back to Homeschool. Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board have released SSLC model question papers for the academic year 2022-23. Subject Mathematics and your subject code 81E. Time allotted for this paper 3 hours 15 minutes. Total marks 80. If you look over first page, you will be having some general instructions for the candidates. So please look over those and let's quickly begin the answer key for this. First main, 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. In this main, you will be having 8 questions, each carries 1 mark, total 8 into 1, 8 marks. This main contains multiple choice questions. We need to select only one answer along with the option. Let's begin with the first problem. If the nth term of an arithmetic progression is an is equal to 3n plus 1, then the fourth term of the progression is given nth term an is equal to 3n plus 1. What is its fourth term is your question. Fourth term a4, wherever you have n, substitute for 3 into 4 plus 1. 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Fourth term is 13. Check for the option. Option B, 13 is your answer. First one, option B, 13. Second question. The rational number having a non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion in the following is. You can see all the 4 options here. The question is rational number having non-terminating and repeating decimal. You know from this chapter real numbers, you know that if the denominator of a rational number is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. If your denominator is in this format, you can say that rational number is a terminating decimal. Other than this, then you can say it is a non-terminating. Observe here, among these rational numbers, your denominator either only 2 power n may be there or only 5 power m may be there, or both you can have, but not other number. So observe first option, 5 square means it is in the form of 5 power m. So this is a terminating decimal. Then coming to this rational number, you are having 2 power n and 5 power m format. So I can say this rational number is also a terminating decimal. And look over C, denominator 2 into 7. Observe children, other than 2 and 5, if you see any number, either it should cancel with the numerator. If not cancel, then if the number is in the denominator, I say that this is a non-terminating and repeating decimal. So see the last option. In this rational number, your denominator is in 2 power n format. So I can say this rational number is a terminating decimal. So among this, which is the right answer? Option C, 5 by 2 into 7. Third question. In a class, the number of boys is denoted by the letter X. Let me write here. Number of boys denoted by X, and number of girls is denoted by the letter Y. Let's read the question. In a class, the number of boys is 5 more than the number of girls. The linear equation form of this statement is. Okay, let's read the statement again and frame the linear equation. The number of boys, X, is equal to 5 more plus 5. 5 more than the number of girls. That means X is equal to Y plus 5. So check for this option. No, we don't have this option. So look over the options. Options, I think A, what do you have? X minus Y is equal to 5. Check this option. if this y is transposed other side, it becomes x minus y. So I think x minus y is equal to 5 is the right answer. If you want, you can check other options also. Third one, answer is option A, x minus y is equal to 5. Fourth one, the quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are 4 and 5 respectively. Sum of the zeros and product of the zeros given. So let the two zeros be alpha and beta. Sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equal to 4 and product of the zeros alpha beta is equal to 5. So frame the polynomial. How do you frame? You know x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros will get the polynomial. So substitute the value x square minus 4x plus 5. This is the polynomial. And if you see your 4 options followed by a polynomial p of x is equal to, check for this option, p of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. Your option D is the right answer. P of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. Fifth problem. The coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points. Imagine a line segment joining the points 4, 3 and 2, 1 is. What is the question? Midpoint. Midpoint means you remember the formula? P of x, y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Assume the coordinates as x1, y1, x2, y2. That is 4 plus 2 by 2, 3 plus 1 by 2. 4 plus 2 will be 6 by 2. 3 plus 1, 4 by 2. 2 3s are 2 2s are. So your coordinate is 3, 2. This is the midpoint coordinate of the line segment. So your option, which is the right answer? Option C, 3, 2. Sixth one, you can see two triangles over there. In the figure, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. If AB is equal to 3 centimeters, BC is equal to 4 centimeters and DE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, then the measure of EF is. Given the two triangles are similar, immediately we remember a theorem. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Apply that here. AB by DE, corresponding side, is equal to BC by EF. Substitute the values. AB 3, DE 4.5, BC 4, EF we are going to calculate. Cross multiply. EF is equal to 4 into 4.5 by 3. 3 1.5s. 4 into 1.5 it is 6.0. I can write it as only 6 centimeters. Therefore, what is EF? 6 centimeter. Check for this option. Option B, 6 centimeters. Seventh problem. In the figure, BP and BQ are the tangents to the circle with center O. Where are the tangents? BP and BQ are the tangents. B is external point. O is the center. If angle OPQ is equal to 20 degree, find angle PBQ is your question. How we are going to find this? You need to find this angle, right? How? We know that by theorem in circles, what do we remember? Tangents, length of the tangents are equal and the tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. That means from here to here angle is 90 degree. given this angle OPQ angle is how much? 20 degree. We know this angle is 90. 90 minus 20 you are going to get this. What is that? 90 minus 20 is 70 degree. We can see that the two tangents length is equal. If these two sides are equal of this triangle, then their opposite angles are equal. If this is 70, I can say this is also 70 degree. Now consider PQB triangle. Consider PQB triangle. The sum of the interior angles is 180 degree. 70 plus 70, 140. In 180, subtract 140. 180 subtract 140 degree, that will be 40 degree. Therefore, what is your angle PBQ, children? 40 degree. Search for the option. Option A, 40 degree. Now let's see the last question in this main. 8th one. The total surface area of the solid given in the figure is. They have given us a figure. Observe the figure carefully. What is this figure? Immediately you will say it is a right circular cone. Right? And R, radius R centimeter, height H centimeter, slant height L centimeter. What is this solid? It is a right circular cone. Your question is total surface area of the solid. What is total surface area of this solid cone? It is pi r into r plus L. When you are saying area, here you can see centimeters given. So write along with the unit, that is pi r into r plus L. Centimeter square is the total surface area. Which option is the right answer? It is option C. With this we complete our first main. Second main, answer the following questions. In this again you will be having 8 questions. Each carries 1 mark. 8 into 1, 8 marks. 9th one. Find the HCF of 7 and 11. 7 and 11. Highest common factor. Do you have any common factor among the 7 and 11? No, there is no common factor. That means only 1 is the common factor. 7 you can write it as 7 into 1 and 11 you can write it as 11 into 1. Other than 1, there is no common factor. Therefore, HCF of 7 and 11 is 1. Okay. Answer is 1. 10th one. How many solutions do the pair of linear equations has if the lines represented by them are coincident? Coincident means, see, the two lines are overlapping one above the other. Your question, how many solutions do they have? See, every point is a solution. That means you will be having infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. So how many solutions do they have? When the lines are coincident, they will be having infinitely many solutions. 11th one, write the degree of the polynomial. P of x is equal to x square plus 2x cube minus 5x power 4 plus 6. Degree of the polynomial. How will you find? Highest power of the polynomial. That is only the degree. Where is the highest power? Here. This is the highest power. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 4. Degree of the polynomial degree of the polynomial is what? Is 4. 12th one. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. We are going to find discriminant. First, compare the given equation with the standard form. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 3. Discriminant. What is the discriminant here? Capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values in this. Minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 will be plus 4, and here minus into minus plus. 4 3s are 12, 12 into 1 it will be 12. 12 plus 4, 16. What is the discriminant value here? It is 16. You can write discriminant equal to 16 or D is equal to 16. 13th question. Write the formula to find the volume of the frustum of a cone if the radii of its circular bases are R1 and R2 and its height is h. What is the volume of frustum of a cone? That is volume of frustum of a cone. Volume of frustum of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi h into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2. Right? Next, coming to 14th. If the probability of raining on a particular day is 0.75. Probability of raining, let me consider the event as P of A is equal to 0.75. Then find the probability of not raining on the same day. Not raining means we need to find P of A bar is equal to. We know P of A plus P of A bar is equal to 1. So substitute here P of A bar is equal to 1. Transpose that side. 1 minus 0.75. That is 0.25. What is the probability of not raining on the same day? 0.25. P of A bar is equal to 0.25. 15th one. If the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is 64:121. Let us consider these two triangles. Triangle ABC, triangle PQR. What's your question? If the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is 64:121. So let me write it as area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to 64/121. Then find the ratio of their corresponding sides. I need the ratio of the corresponding sides. You remember a theorem. What is that? If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their square of the corresponding sides. So let's write that. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to corresponding side, anything you can take. I'll take BC square by QR square, or I'll write BC by QR whole square. You know that this area's ratio is 64/121, and this whole square, send other side, it will be square root. Square root of 64/121. This is 8 8s are 64. 121 means 11 11s are 121. Whole square, square root cancel. BC by QR is equal to, BC is to QR is equal to 8:11. So your answer is, what is the ratio of their corresponding sides? 8:11 is your answer. Last question in this main. Find the distance between the origin and the point 3, 4. Very simple question. Mark the coordinate as x, y. Distance between the origin formula. D is equal to square root of x square plus y square. That is 3 whole square plus 4 whole square. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5 units. Compulsory you need to write the answer as 5 units. Okay? Yes, is this clear? With this we are going to complete 2 mains.